It sounds dramatic, but it's been a 67% reduction in inventory holding, which is just nuts. With just-in-time inventory, the whole point is to turn inventory faster, right, and carry less X amount of inventory, but we're carrying 2/3 less inventory. Probably your turn is about the same, about 67% better. What that does is it gives us fresher material in our system that's more accurate with the current market. So when market is going down, that's especially important, where we're not way upside down on material that's sitting here and it's hard to move, right? If we can increase our turn and lower our carrying time, since we have the tools now, we are going just in time, right? With volatility in the market and that kind of thing has really driven us to want that really badly. And OmegaCube's really allowed us to have the tools to be able to do it.